And a roller coaster week weighed on global markets. Stocks ending the week with losses as investors evaluated geopolitical and trade developments. Friday saw almost every asset class end in the red, with differing views on West Asia conflict driving market whiplash. Wall Street ended lower as chipmakers plunged on reports the US may revoke waivers to allies with semiconductor plants in China. Tech-related mega cap stocks, including Nvidia, were among the biggest negatives on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. A closely watched gauge of chip makers slid almost 1%, while a $6.5 trillion option expiry sparked a rise in trading volume. The S&P 500 took a hit. Not even signs President Donald Trump is giving a chance to diplomacy in de-escalating the war between Israel and Iran were able to spur risk appetite. Investors remained uneasy about the escalating West Asia conflict. Iran said it would not discuss the future of its nuclear program while under attack by Israel. This even as Europe tried to coax Tehran back into negotiations. The uncertainty, though, boosted the dollar to mark its best week since February. Demand rose for the dollar, pushing the greenback to a 3-week high against the yen. Short-dated yields fell as Federal Reserve's Christopher Waller indicated rates may drop as early as July. The commodities oil fell on Friday after rising for much of the week. Global benchmark Brent crude futures fell 2.3% to settle at a touch over $77 a barrel, but gained 3.6% for the week. Crude marked a third straight week of gains after a surprise surge in May despite OPEC's decision to increase production. While gold gained on safe haven bets earlier in the week, the yellow metal lost its appeal on Friday. The precious metal marked its first weekly loss in 3, but for the year, bullion is still leading the race among other assets. Central bank purchases boosted gold to a record-setting rally this year. Cryptos took a hit as the Iran-Israel conflict entering its second week weighed on risk assets. Bitcoin was languishing below $103,500 after surging to near its record high just last week. Other crypto tokens too have taken a beating this week, despite bullish bets on easing regulations in the United States.